Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
What does indigent mean in court? This term is very important in the American legal system. It refers to someone who is poor. More specifically, it means a person cannot afford the costs of a legal case. This includes paying for a lawyer. It also includes paying court fees. Being declared indigent can make a big difference in your ability to access justice. When someone is indigent, the court may provide help. This help ensures that even poor people can have their day in court. First, let's talk about what indigent covers. It means you lack enough money to hire an attorney. It also means you cannot pay other necessary court expenses. These expenses can include filing fees. They can include service fees for official documents. They might also include costs for transcripts or expert witnesses. The United States Constitution guarantees certain rights. One of these is the right to a lawyer in criminal cases. This is part of the Sixth Amendment. If you are charged with a crime and cannot afford a lawyer, the court must provide one. This is usually a public defender. This right applies only if you are found to be indigent. How does a court decide if someone is indigent? You usually fill out a financial affidavit. This is a special form. On this form, you list all your income. You list all your assets, like money in the bank or property. You also list your debts. You list your monthly expenses. The court then reviews this information. They compare your financial situation to certain guidelines. These are often federal poverty guidelines. Sometimes, they use a percentage of those guidelines. A judge or court officer makes the final decision. This decision is based on your income, your expenses, and your family size. It's not just about being completely broke. It's about not having enough money left over after basic living expenses to pay for legal costs. For example, someone earning minimum wage might be considered indigent. Someone on public assistance programs would likely be considered indigent. Even someone with a job but huge medical debts might qualify. Being declared indigent has several key benefits. The biggest benefit in criminal cases is getting a free lawyer. This lawyer will represent you throughout your case. Another major benefit is the waiver of court fees. This means you do not have to pay filing fees. You do not have to pay fees for serving legal papers. You might not have to pay for jury fees either. These fees can add up quickly. Waiving them makes the court system more accessible. In some cases, the court might also cover other costs. This could include fees for a court reporter to make a transcript. It could cover fees for expert witnesses if they are crucial to your defense. It is important to be honest on your financial affidavit. Providing false information can lead to serious penalties. These penalties can include fines or even jail time. The court takes these declarations very seriously. The goal is to help those who truly cannot afford legal help. It is not to help those who simply want to avoid paying. The status of being indigent can change. If your financial situation improves, you might no longer qualify. You might have to start paying for your own legal costs. The term indigent is a cornerstone of ensuring fair trials for everyone. It helps uphold the principle that justice should not depend on how much money you have. It ensures that everyone has a chance to defend themselves in court. Thank you for watching this explanation of what indigent means in court. I hope this video helped clarify a complex legal term. If you found this information useful, please hit the like button. Consider subscribing to our channel for more legal insights and explanations. Your support helps us create more helpful content. We appreciate you being here.